Start it up.
Let's go! Flow too real, hitting with a rhythm rhyme. 10,000, it's cold in the wintertime. I'm a boss, yeah, you know that I'm finna shine. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined. Flow too real, hitting with a rhythm rhyme.
Alright, about time to hit the road, but these guys are still sleeping. What in the world? Alright, ready? Let's see if you can figure this out. What are you doing, dude? Drive through.
Oh, we're going through?
Yeah,
we're not going through the drive-thru.
Dude, shut up. We're not going in. Upgrade those glasses, man. Let's say it fits. Yeah. Sweet.
3 cores for the boys.
Thank you. Did we get the extra sauces too? Keep it coming. You good? Your glasses are on backwards.
Yeah, but you got 2 more.
Problem solved. We're in a race car. Got all the lights on. Gotta have gun block. Strap-ons are the way to go, huh?
Yeah, I love strap-ons.
Caps, let's go.
The fucking truck's gotta move first.
Shane, show us something we've never seen before. Shane, your house is pretty sweet, man.
Yeah. If you guys come on back here, you gonna understand like how sick my pool is and like how many tricks I get in my pool. Yeah, this is my pad, so like I can't even take myself serious.
No, what is that?
Just stays fully torqued. It's a fully torqued cock.
Paps, get those clips! We got Paps. This corner we got Rude Dog coming in about 3'11". Whoa! You guys are up. They're up against the ropes. He's going for the third leg. How are you gonna do in this situation? Rudy, you suck. What? Oh! We are 1 for 1! Yeah, Rudy, you're coming back home with us!
This is my car. Yeah, I pretty much just run the place around here. It's like kind of a slow whip, but like it'll do for now. I think if I get a Lambo.
What color?
Yellow. Yeah, a yellow Lambo.
What's this? What's this one? Oh, I think this one's on.
Yeah, Elon just sent it to me. Oh, easy.
Let's do not the whole shot.
Red, all red.
Number 22 with the whole shot. Then you
Oh, write it down.
run over. We have a yellow flag. Take the whole shot.
That's a lot of people. Hey, Zay, get out of the cut.
fucking pit bike races are serious as
Oh, it's rolling! Oh, wait, here we go! Coming in!
but
Tell the viewers what you just did. You about hopped in a different van.
Like, if I'm editing this shit, this is all going out.
why?
Maybe it's stay, who knows?
Ow, dude, that's my elbow.